Hi, now we are going to see how to deposit money on MetaTrader 5. So let's go to our broker website. To deposit money, you have to use a real account and you have to have verified your accounts. If you haven't verified your account yet, there would be a limit on your account as to how much you can deposit. Remember, you have to go back to the broker website because you cannot deposit money directly on the MT5 app interface. You have to go to the website and click on deposits. Once you click on deposit, it's going to show you different deposit methods you can use for your deposits, okay? So you can select the best deposit method for you. If you are in a country that doesn't accept crypto, you can use other methods available like Skrill, your credit card, bank transfers. So it is always very important to go with brokers that offer deposit methods that work for you. Here we can see online bank transfer, Neteller, other two different options for online bank transfer, or pay directly with your bank. This is Skrill, this is TickPay, and all these ones require verification, okay? So let's say I want to deposit from my bank. I'll click on online bank transfer, and then you have to select the MT5 account you want to fund. Let me choose any of the MT5 accounts that I created, and you can choose the amount of money you want to deposit, okay? So it depends on your country, but in my case, it's showing Naira for the currency. So this is around $600 US. Okay? Yes. So you can see that there's a limit on my account. Because this account is not verified, I can deposit more than $500 US. That's why I was not able to continue with that amount. Let's get rid of 10. Now this is 66 USD. There is no fee for making this deposit, and now we can click on continue. Once we do that, it's going to show you the bank details to which you have to make the deposit to. First, we click on pay with bank transfer. Now let's check on I understand and click on continue. Now it will show you the bank account information. You can copy the account number just by clicking on it. So you can paste it when actually making the transfer. This is the account name, and the deposit is usually credited almost instantly. Also, when making a deposit with cryptocurrency, the funds are always credited almost immediately. See you on the next video.